YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Hello,
YouTube.
hello.
Hello.
I hope everybody's doing great today. If so, let us know.
Yeah, we would like to know how you're doing.
We did the 29th through the 4th last week, and this was our layout.
Yes, this was
the mini dashboard and our mini dashboard happy planner layout.
I cannot remember the name, but it's
Such a long one. It's a long name. Mini dashboard.
Uh-oh. It was something about fall.
Yeah. There, I pulled out too many sheets. Okay. So now we're going to work on the 5th through the 11th.
Of August. That is the second week of August.
So this is the kit Drea made us.
This is called Just Peachy. And you have your washi, your full boxes, and your half boxes. Then on the second sheet you have your side box, your checklists, your headers, your little things, and your icons. And then you have more half boxes, some full box checklists, some quarter boxes, and script stickers, and your weekend banner.
Yay.
I need to remember to breathe when I say that last part, because I was running out of steam.
Let's work on this side. Do our washi.
And right now in the shop, I just released an August mystery kit. It is available in the shop. I'm not sure what else I was going to say about it. It's really cool, and
it's a mystery until next week.
Yes, and it's made for the classic Happy Planner or the Erin Condren Vertical, your choice, and it's really cool. So if you like spoilers, watch Mom's video this coming week. If you don't like spoilers, I suggest you just skip that video.
Grab your kit while you can.
Yes. And let's go. Oh, we have a sale going on. It's 20% off $20 or more, and there is no code needed, so that's cool.
Yep, I put her on a little cricket, but that's all me. That's all me. That's my life.
It's still pretty. I like the colors.
Let me if I just go in with a little bit of white out.
There you go.
Yeah. I'm gonna do these little boxes anyway.
Yeah.
And then to buy.
We don't need you to buy.
Don't need to bull. To bull. Don't need to focus. No focusing.
No, we don't focus. We just do.
We do. Alright. Then I have my to-do. That's going to go over here.
I was running full steam ahead, and then I just had a brain fart.
We're going to put in a checklist.
School starts next week.
School starts next week, isn't that crazy?
Thursday the 8th for us. When does school start for you guys? I know it starts at different times for different states.
Yeah.
So I'm curious as to when school starts up for everyone else. My boyfriend goes back to work on the 8th because he is a bus driver.
He's a school bus driver.
Yes, he is a school bus driver, and he loves his job. So I like that. I love that he loves it.
I like that too. Not a lot of bus drivers out there love their jobs.
Not a lot of people love their jobs, period.
Yeah. That's a whole nother video.
It is. That should be a topic for another.
I know, yeah. We'll have it on the Sister show, you guys. Check out our channel, the Sister TV show, where me and my sister talk about random stuff.
Yes.
Current and past. Let's see.
And if you're interested in other Plan With Me's or unboxings and book reviews, then check out my channel, Creative Faery, which is the same spelling as it is for my Etsy shop.
Yes.
That's cute. I like how you did the to buy box. The to do box.
Yeah.
Or whichever.
I
box
made it a to do.
Yeah, but I like how you split it.
Thank you. There.
Yours.
Color coordinate. Coordinate. We must coordinate. I love this little dashboard Plan With Me. It does give you a lot of writing space.
It does. And what's funny is, it's funny you should mention that.
I'll be right back. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. So I think I'm going to go ahead and white out this little purse. Because it's...
It does not match.
No, it don't match.
It is pretty, but it does not match.
Now,
over there.
yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
That's better. And I think I'm going to go in with, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go in with a couple of these boxes here.
Oh, your usual little stacking?
Yeah.
I actually like that. It makes an interesting design element.
It does, huh?
Yeah, it is graphically pleasing to the eye.
Here.
That's cute.
Yeah, I like that.
And she actually kind of matches the box.
So we'll leave her there.
Yeah.
So that's it for this side of the page.
Party.
It's party, y'all.
It's partyful.
Partyful. And I think up here I want to leave this blank for right now. We have the 5th. Let's put in our dates.
Yeah.
The 5th through the 11th.
We currently don't have any appointments this week, but we do have somebody going back to work.
Yeah.
I need a back to work sticker.
Yes. And back to school sticker.
Yeah.
So let's put in our
Date covers.
date covers.
Yeah, it's funny. He goes back to work this Thursday, and then his birthday is the next Thursday.
Oh, I know.
That's messed up. And he can't take it off because he just got back to work.
Yeah.
But maybe somebody will bring him something at work. That'd be cool.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Or maybe his girlfriend will come by and visit.
Bring him a piece of cake.
Yeah. Of course, I talk about myself in the third person, which is kind of weird, but you know.
She's a weirdo.
I'm a weirdo. Admittedly. I liked the colors in this kit. They're very subtle.
They're very, I love the softness of them.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the word for it. They are very soft. Easy on the eyes. Apparently I'm on an eye kick. Everything's easy on the eyes.
I can't believe we're already in the 2nd week of August.
This year is ridiculously fast.
Yeah, it is.
Christmas will be coming soon, and holy crap, then 2020.
I know. It's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. That gives me that. I'm going to hang on to that because I still have to do this box up here.
And you haven't figured out what you want to do with it?
Not yet. I love this little laptop. Ooh, my bad.
Crooked?
No, I put it over. I messed my stickers up.
Oh yeah, because you put the headers first.
Yeah. Supposed to put the headers on first, on last, guys.
Yeah, the boxes are the exact length and width of the boxes of the dashboard boxes, so you have to put on your headers after you put on your full boxes. Or I can change it.
Just don't do what I did.
Yeah. Headers last. I can't wait for fall.
I know.
Nicer weather, prettier trees.
Green grass.
Well, no, that might not happen, but orange leaves. We know the trees will change.
Yeah. I think I'm going to put a flower up here. Or maybe the coffee next to the laptop. That's what I'll do.
And then be barked at.
Excuse me.
And there is a header for that.
Yeah. Small stuff and to buy. I'm going to do to buy. No, I'm going to do small stuff.
I did give you your to buy header because you always asked for one every time we've done
know.
some. And I'm like, okay, I just need to add it to buy. There's room.
I know. I'm going to put it over there.
Gotcha. Where the boxes are.
Yeah.
Cool.
There we go.
Nice.
I put it on Cricut again, but that's all good.
It's your planner. You can do what you want to do in your planner.
In my planner. There.
Cool.
Yeah.
I really like how that side page came out.
Me too.
It's pretty. And I'm liking how this has come out too.
Me too.
Yeah. Yay.
I'm leaving myself a little bit more writing space this time around.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Miss stickers on every corner of the paper
Yes.
is giving writing space first?
I am.
What the heck? Is this the apocalypse? Is this the zombie apocalypse? That would be cool and terrifying.
Yeah, it would.
Because I'm not sure I could kill anybody.
I could.
Okay, damn.
I could
Scary.
cause I'm killing a zombie. You're not biting me and turning me into one. I'm killing it.
That's scary.
You're dead.
My mom can kill somebody. Yeah. But
I just don't know if I have the strength. You know, these movies, they're all like,
super strong.
yeah, they're like, oh, you just poke them in the eye. Now, you have to be really close to a zombie to poke it in the eye,
And
guys.
nobody wants to poke any zombies in the eye.
No one's going to get that close.
That's like if you cut its head off, you'd have to be super close.
And you have to be super strong. You got to cut through bone and sinew and I'm telling you, man.
Tendons, which is sinew, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna throw in other words there too. Vertebrae. You do have to cut through vertebrae to get to the neck, so
Yeah.
that works.
We got here
Hello weekend
the weekend.
and a payday.
Yep, and a payday.
Hello weekend. Hello Moto.
Hello, Motu. It's the weekend.
Always.
My day off is on Sunday.
Cute.
See how long that lasts.
Uh,
And a payday on the 9th.
We'll see how long that. No, I'm kidding. We'll see how long that
Payday,
lasts.
payday, and no more payday that day.
Yes.
So I only have a few boxes left. I really don't want to ruin my little layout there.
No, so
This
save it
turned
for
out
next time.
really pretty.
It's really cute. I love it.
Tell me, guys, what you guys think.
Yeah.
If I-
Inquiring minds want to know,
If I messed up or not.
or if you like it.
If you like this layout, let me know. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.